Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amar Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are now studying the Ruchira Tritiyaha Bhagaha, the CBSE Class 8 Sanskrit textbook. In the previous video we looked at the Chaturthaha Pathaha Sadaiva Purato Nidhehi Charanam, an English explanation of the lesson contents. Now we look at the exercises Abhyasa Bhaga along with an English explanation of the solutions. Pathe Dattam Geetam Saswaram Gayata. Recite the verses as a song. I have already done that in the lesson video. You can refer to how to recite these as a song to that video. Next one. Adholikitanam prashnanam uttarani ekapadena likhata. Answer in one word. In Sanskrit. Svakiyam sadhanam kim bhavati. What will become one's means? Balam. My own strength becomes my means. That's the answer. Pati ke vishamaha prakharaha. On the way, what are uneven and sharp? Pashanaha, stones, which means on the way there are so many challenges. Satatam kim karaniyam, always what is to be done? Dheya smaranam, one has to remember the goal at all points of time. Etasya geetasya rachayita kaha, who is the composer of this song? Shri Sridhara Bhaskara Varnekaraha. Saha Kidrishaha Kavihi Manyate. What kind of poet is he considered as? Rashtravadi Kavi. He is a nationalist poet. So these are the 5 answers to the 5 questions on this page. We go further. Manjushataha Kriya Padani Chitva Riktasthanani Pureta. Choose the right verbs from the box above and fill in the blanks. Nidhehi, Vidhehi, Jahihi, Dehi, Bhaja, Chala, Kuru. Tvam Purataha Charanam Nidhehi. Always place your step forward. Tvam Vidyalayam Chala. Go to the school. Rashtre Anuraktim Vidhehi. Have love for the country. Mahyam Jalam Dehi. Give me water. Mudha Jahihi Dhanagama Trishnam. Forsake or leave the thirst for wealth. Bhaja Govindam. Always adore Lord Govinda. Satatam Dhyayasmaranam Kuru. Always have a remembrance of the goal which you have set for yourself. Next one. Uchita Kathananam Samaksham Am. Anuchita Kathananam Samaksham Na iti likhata. For the correct sentences write Am, and for the incorrect ones write Na. Purataha Charanam Nidhehi. Always place your step forward. They have given the answer as Am, which is correct. You should always put your step forward. Am means yes and Na means no. Nijaniketanam Girishikhare Asti. My real home is at the peak of the summit, at the summit of the mountain. So Am, it is correct. This is a true statement. Swakiyam balam badhakam bhavati. My own strength becomes my obstacle. Wrong, it is a wrong statement. So Na. My own strength becomes my means. Sadhakam bhavati, sadhanam bhavati. Pati himsraha pashavaha na santi. On the way there are no wild animals. Is a wrong statement. Na. There are wild animals on the way. There are a lot of challenges on the way. Gamanam sukaram asti. The path, the way, the travel is very comfortable and easy. Wrong, it is not easy. It's very difficult path. It's a difficult path to tread. So it is Na again. Sadaiva agre eva chalaniyam. Always we have to go forward. Am, yes, we have to always go forward. So the answers are Am, Na, and Am. We go further. Vakya Rachanaya Arthabhedam Spashti Kurata. Clarify the correct differences in meanings using sentences. Paritaha Purataha. Paritaha is all around. Purataha is in front. Nagaha, Nagaha. Nagaha is a mountain. Nagaha is a serpent. Arohanam, Avarohanam. Arohanam is ascent or ascending or going up. Avarohanam is descent, descending or coming down. Vishamaha, Samaha. Vishamaha is rough, uneven. Samaha is even, level ground. Let us look at some sentences. Vidyalayam paritaha udyanam asti. There is a garden surrounding the school. When paritaha comes in a sentence, the corresponding noun should be in dvitiya vibhakti. This is a rule. That's why it is Vidyalayam paritaha. Mama purataha sanganaka yantram asti. There is a computer in front of me. Himalaya naganam raja asti. Himalaya is the king of mountains. Vasukihi naganam raja asti. Vasuki is the king of serpents. Parvatarohanam katinam asti. Ascending a mountain is difficult. Swapana marge savadhanena avarohanam karaniyam. Descending steps should be done carefully. While one is coming down a flight of stairs, walking down, he should come carefully, otherwise he'll fall down. That's the meaning of the sentence. Aranye vishamaha margaha santi. In the forest, there are uneven paths, uneven terrain. Kridangane samaha margaha santi. In the playground, there are even, level paths. These are some sentences which I have written with using the words given in your question. Next one. Manjushataha avyaya padani chitva riktasthānāni purayata. Choose the right indeclinable from the box above and fill in the blanks. Eva, khalu, tatha, paritaha, purataha, sada, vina. Vidyalayasya purataha ekam udyanam asti. There is a garden in front of the school. Satyam eva jayate. Only truth triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Kim bhavan snanam kritavan khalu. Did you indeed have a bath? Is a question. Saha yatha chintayati tatha acharati. Whatever he thinks, in the same way he acts. His thoughts and action are in unison, in synchronism. Gramam paritaha vrikshaha santi. Around the village there are trees. Vidyam vina jivanam vritha. Without education, life is a waste. Sada bhagavantam bhaja. Always think of the Lord. Now I told you that gramam paritaha. When paritaha comes, there should be dvitiya vibhakti pada. So gramam paritaha. This is the right sentence. You cannot use paritaha in any other sentence in this particular set of sentences. Gramam paritaha is the only place where you can use paritaha. You go further. Viloma padani yojayita. Match the opposite meanings. Purataha, opposite is pristhataha. Purataha is front, pristhataha is back. Swakiyam, parakiyam, opposite. Swakiyam is my own. Parakiyam is belonging to others. Bhitihi, opposite is sahasaha. Bhitihi is fear. Sahasaha is courage. Anuraktihi, opposite is viraktihi. Anuraktihi is love. Viraktihi is detachment. Gamanam, opposite is agamanam. Gamanam is going. Agamanam is coming. Now, before we go to the next question, we need to recollect, we need to remember about the lat lakara, lot lakara and vidhiling lakara forms, dhatu rupani, forms of conjugation of the dhatus. One example we have given here is the pat dhatu. In lat lakara, the pat dhatu to read is pathati, pathataha, pathanti, pathasi, pathathaha, pathatha, pathami, pathavaha, pathamaha. In lot lakara, which is agnya or prarthana, pathatu, pathatam, pathantu, patha, pathatam, pathata, pathani, pathava, pathama. In vidhiling lakara, it is pathet, pathetam, patheyuhu, pathehe, pathetam, patheta, patheyam, patheva, pathema. Now we go to the question. लट्लकार पदेभ्यः लोट विधिलिंग लकार पदानां निर्माणं कुरुत. Indicate the lot and vidhiling lakaras of these latlakara words. For example, they have given patati. Let us look at the table. Patati is prathama purusha ekavachana patati. So we should look at the same prathama purusha ekavachana in lot lakara table and in the vidhiling lakara table. So in lot lakara table it is patatu and vidhiling lakara table it is pathet. Prathama purusha ekavachana. So they have given patatu and pathet. So in the same way we have to fill for the other 5 questions. Khelasi is given. So khelasi comes in like patasi. Madhyama purusha ekavachana. Patasi becomes patha and pathehe. In the same way khelasi becomes khela and khelehe. Now we go to the next one. Khadanti. Khadanti is like pathanti. Prathama purusha bahuvachana. Pathanti becomes pathantu and patheyuhu. In the same way khadanti becomes khadantu and khadeyuhu. Next pibami. Pibami is uttama purusha ekavachana like pathami. Pathami became pathani, patheyam. In the same way pibami becomes pibani and pibeyam. Hasataha. Hasataha is like pathataha. Prathama purusha dvivachana. Pathataha became pathatam and pathetam. Like that hasatam and hasetam in lot and vidhiling. Nayamaha. Nayamaha is like pathamaha. Uttama purusha bahuvachana. That becomes pathama and pathema. Like that this nayama becomes nayamaha becomes nayama and nayema. This is the way you do one-to-one correspondence between the 3 tables and find out which entry should be put for that particular verb, which form should be put, and then put the correct entry and you will get these answers. Very simple question. Only thing you have to remember those 3 tables which I showed you in the previous page. These 3 tables you should remember, and these are the dhatu forms for lat, lot and vidhiling. Now we go to the last question. Adholikitani padani nirdeshanusaram parivartayata. Modify the following words as directed. For example, Girishikhara, we have to put in saptami ekavachana pada. Girishikhare it becomes. Like that pathin, saptami ekavachana becomes pathini or pathi. Rashtra, chaturthi vibhakti ekavachana becomes rashtraya. Pashana, saptami ekavachana it becomes pashane. Yana, dvitya bahuvachane becomes yanani. Shakti, prathama ekavachanam means shaktihi. Pashu, saptami bahuvachane becomes pashushu. You can download printable version of the slides at the link given in the description below. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. We have finished Chaturtha Pataha Sadaiva Purato Nidhehi Charanam. YouTube Amara Bharati Samskrita Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Shri Krishnarpanamastu.